make some peri sauce, shall we? So guys, making peri sauce is quite easy, real simple. The first thing I do is to grill my pepper. Here I use some cayenne and Scotch bonnet pepper, but if you want a less chili sauce, if you don't want it to be hot, then you can use just cayenne pepper. But I want some hotness in the sauce due to the weather and all, so I'm using both combinations. So you want to grill those for about 10 minutes right after you transfer into the food processor. One thing I love about peri sauce is that you can make a large batch of this, transfer into a container, keep that in the fridge, and you just bring it out when you need it. So next I'm adding some paprika, lemon juice, some crushed garlic, some oil, pinch of salt, and some parsley. Cover that and pulse until you get a satisfied consistency. This sauce is so easy to make, but then you have these amazing flavor combinations that just takes any dish you have it with to another level. I have this sauce with some fried yam. Anything I fry, actually, this goes well with it. This works well with any grilled produce also, either grilled chicken, grilled fish. You can have your peri sauce with that. You can actually have it with anything that calls for a sauce. If you need a sauce for anything, just make peri sauce and have it with it. You're gonna love it. So guys, thank you for watching. Do make sure you try this out and let me know how it goes. I'll see you next time. Bye for now.